So I have added a formula here for the status queue column in my app plus test sheet. So whenever K2 column is empty, this will say as incomplete. If it's not empty, it will say done. So as you can see, it's not empty, so it's done. So if the checking is done, then it will say as done because K column is not empty. But if I delete it, then now it's incomplete. Okay, let's go to the app. So the row filter condition, it should be, let me click. Okay, so whenever you select to choose edit something, and you can click enter and it will show you this window. Okay, so what I want this column status key 1. So the status key 1 must be equal to incomplete. So let's see if this is incomplete, so this expression is not valid, so let me use 1 equal sign. This is not also valid. Okay, so what's the problem? Okay, so unable to find column status queue. That's the problem. Okay, let me save it for now. Why that's the problem? Because the source table is R2 private, but it should be submission. That was the issue. Now as you can see, it's okay. Okay, so source table must be selected correctly. If it's graded, then it should be done, not incomplete. If it's done, then it's on the graded slice. If it's not, say then this is my condition. Okay, so if I go here and always save the updates, then say the graded table, and now let's add something here. So SL and email address, email string, that's it. I don't want anything else. So on the rightmost, let me save it. Okay, ungraded, graded. Okay, so then submission ungraded table, it should be table, it should be on the center, ungraded slice, and the column order should be SL and email address. Okay, as you can see, SL and email address for the ungraded tab. Okay, so that's basically it here. And now let me choose this option, and I have everything, like every details here, but I don't want every details. So if you go like downward, you'll see this is this view is for reference views. So if you go here, reference view, graded detail, so column order, I don't want everything. I want email address, I want section, say for example I want say upload file. Okay, I want auto key 1, I want rubrics, I want private rubrics, I want partial marks, and greatest comment. As you can see, graded by options aren't here anymore because I have special comments. Here I have like deselected these options, that's why you can't find those options anymore, graded by or date or time. Okay, that's hidden, completely hidden. Okay, that's details. And the graded form, well, if you want to regrade something, recheck something, that then you must have some kind of option present. Okay, so comments, only these things. Okay, ungraded details. Here column order, I can choose email address, say upload file, and auto q1, rubric q1, private rubrics, uh, marks, special comments, then partial q1. And in the form, let me choose column order. Here r1 rubrics q1, partial, no, I don't want that. I want private rubrics. I want comments. That's basically it. So save that. Okay, so this view right here, this is the view for what the user will see. User won't see this everything, this here. They'll see just this option here. Okay, you can choose this view or this view. Tab, orientation can be landscape or portrait, anything you want. Here I'm not seeing anything, so only plus options. So I don't want these add options to be there because I don't want new rows to be added by this. So let me go here, add options removed, only updates. Okay, everything that is derived from submission can only be updated, not added, deleted, or anything. Okay, so let me save it.